Apart from what we know, the rare earth minerals in Kwale, the titanium, also in Kwale.
Yeah.
We also have a coal in Mwingi, Mui Basin, and I remember there was a lot of controversy when a Chinese tried to mine that. We also reported to have gold in the western part of this country. What else do we know that we have?
Well, this is an interesting question. We have a lot of minerals as we stand right now. The reason being is that despite the fact that government has not been doing a lot of these activities, we have this, our Kenyan people are very, what do you call it, explorative by nature. And every day somebody comes across a new type of mineral, they take it to the labs in Madini Center here in Kenya, in Nairobi, and we discover that we have new types of minerals that are existent in our country. So there's been a new discovery of tantalum and tantalite, which is actually used as one of the battery minerals, okay, within the country, both in the area of Samburu and in Meru area. We've also had some few more discoveries of mineral sands up the coast of Tana River and Kilifi, which can add to the current find that we have in Kwale. There's a lot more gold in Turkana basin.
In Turkana?
Yes, there's a lot of gold in Turkana, actually.
Did you know that?
Yes.
Well, I did know a place called Nakala Lake.
Yes.
People do go to prospect for gold.
Yeah. So we do have significant amounts of gold. WestPokot has significant amounts of iron ore. It has also gemstones, rubies, very nice rubies that come out of WestPokot area and a place called Alale. There is also a significant amount of copper that we've discovered in areas of Migori.
Copper?
Yes, and also in Kitui area. So all of this is potentially available, and this is what we're finding on the surface. And most of these very highly potential minerals, you find them deep underground, but we need more of these particular studies. But as a country, indeed, we have a lot of potential, because to the north of us, we have highly rich mineralized countries such as South Sudan, Somalia, and all these others. To our south, we also have highly mineralized nations like Tanzania, which has gold and all these gemstones and diamonds. So we straddle along the same belt that moves across these countries. To our west, we have Uganda, which has also significant amounts of gold, iron, and other minerals, copper. So we are in that zone whereby we have a lot of potential, but what we have lacked to do as a country is to seize on this potential, put the people who like to look for these minerals, and this means the investors, all right, the Kenyan, local and international, to go out there and start looking seriously and hard till we find these particular minerals. And once we put them on the map, the government can now bring the parties together, issue the most appropriate licenses, and we unlock the kind of capital that will enable this country move in this extractive space.